Okay, again, it's the 27th. The battery's really low. I got the welder hooked up, and you can see the three amigos here, three vice grips, holding that gold piece in place. It's perfectly in line with the old one. I did clear away the old detents, so let's tack weld this thing. I'm going to do it without mask. It's just, you know, it's not supporting anything. It's just got a guide. So tack welds are going to be just fine. Famous last words. Said the last welder at Adient before I walked out the door. All right. So I'm not going to, you know, I'm going to grab some rags. Will they fire up, light up? Oh boy, that's $1 million question, people. I got some old rags. Let me burn up. So be it. I guess I can use some old gloves and some old rags. Like I said, I'll just use some old rags and some old gloves. Ugh. Wow. So just want to make sure the wires don't burn up. I think I'm going to be okay right there. Put the ground up close, so I'm not worried about anything. Should I be? I don't know. Let me move the shifter first forward. Okay, guys, ready? Close your eyes. Good boy. Not sure what's going on. I really need to snip the wire sticking out too far now. For some reason, I'm not getting good flow of wire. Let's try it. I think I'm getting slippage in my. You know what? I gotta move the welder over a little bit so that I get an even bend on the cable. Back the welder up. I think that's a better cable. Try that. I did test this thing. I did test it on the scrap piece of steel. Let's try it again. Got one good tack on, that's about it. The rest of them will hold, but they're really ugly. I think I got too many kinks in this cable here, this wire, this feed wire cable. Do it right here. Where's Edwin Coke when I need him? Might have to weld it from the other side. I don't know if it's shorting out in here. I'm gonna have to clean up that weld because it's pretty ugly. Almost is acting like it's shorting out inside of here. It's not. Okay. I think I can get rid of this thing right here. Put a tack right there. There's nothing that'll burn there. I do have a fire extinguisher, guys. And I think that one I can weld on the other side. So this is welded to that one. I'm not getting close on that thing because it's pretty ugly. I don't want to embarrass myself. Get my leg over that hump. That hump. That lovely Corvette bump. Another thing I might have to do is crank up a little bit of heat. There. See how that goes. Back this up. Yeah, I should be able to get it from this side. I'm losing my breath here, people. Okay, throw my leg back up over this bad girl. Hopefully I don't have to bend this torch so much. I'm thinking one more tack should do it. Alright, here goes. That's a lot better. Yeah, I'll clean up the weld a little bit, but the detents are in place. So I'm going to grind the weld a little bit before I... Whoa, shoot. Sorry. I'm going to grind the welds up a little bit so it doesn't look so ugly. Then I can show you the after effects. Now, get my leg back over this. There. So anyway, that's the deal, guys. I got that detent in place, so the upper half of the job is done. I'll just reassemble the stick itself, loosely put the seat back in, raise it up, and then we'll work on the bottom half of the transmission shifter. So now I got to clean up. I'll get the welder out of here. Like I said, I'm going to grind my welds smooth. Just really hard to get at, and the torch angle. Hey, it's my story. I'm not complaining, I'm explaining, as Kevin Hogue would say. Kevin, how you doing? Give me a call. You know my number. Are you still in Indiana or something like that? I gotta step outside. It's really cold or hot. I'm hot in here. Let's see. What's the temperature in here? It's just below 40. And I'm sweating. That's what's nice about winter. If you're hot, you stop working. If you're cold, you move. take a look at this driveway. So I plowed this with this tractor. Did a pretty good job. I don't know. My intentions is to put a plow in that Jeep. I was hoping to do that, get the Jeep running anyway, work on that Jeep to get that running well. It runs, but I need to make it run a little bit better, and the brakes are bad. So you can see the where the driveway goes. It goes here, swells out this way, and around and out toward the road. What I'd like to do is build up this area right here so that I can do a turnaround here, a little bit better turnaround. Build this whole area up, but it's going to take like $10,000 worth of sand, or whatever, dirt. Then maybe also make a small paddock right in this area, turn the horses loose, and but give them a little different place to eat grass. So that's where I'm at, guys. I'm going to start cleaning up a little bit and then raise the car up and see what I have to do to hook up the bottom part of the transmission. Yes, I know it's looking kind of sloppy over here with all this junk. I got plans, but the plans aren't for this winter. The plans are for this spring. Get all that stuff out of there. So, all right. So my task is done in the inside of the car, in the department of hooking up that detent. I have to drain the pressure out of this thing. So just turn this thing here. You can watch the gauge take a dive. There, pressure's off. Valve is already off. Power it down. Nice and quiet. All right, guys, I'll see ya. So that's a few videos on the Corvette shift. Maybe I'll do one more on what I have to do on the bottom of it. So let me clean this stuff up, shut the doors, cover the car, and then raise it up, and then I'll show you where I'm at there. All right, have a good evening until next video. See ya. Oh, by the way, the week of the 8th, so from the 8th of February to the 13th of February, I'll be in Dirk. Hey, hang on 1 second, okay? Just 1 second. So I'll be in Florida that week, from the 8th to the 13th, okay? So I'll see you. I'll be videoing like crazy down there because it's beaches and parks and what else? Brian Key, Dave Voss's nephew, is coming with me, so it'll be a lot of fun. I'll see you guys. Bye.